Hello, Pia Orchids Garden USA here. Showing you one of my Phalaenopsis that is almost done blooming, and it's got a really healthy roots. Look at that. Also growing in a sphagnum moss, and this is an air roots right here, and there's new roots, and there's another air roots, and doing really well. These are growing indoor, and it's got this really healthy roots. I mean healthier leaves right here. Look at that, it's really strong, very shiny. I don't really clean them, it's just shiny like that. And this one is growing in just a regular potting plant pot right here. I got this from the Amazon right here. I should have gotten a different color, but anyway, I got it for something else, but then so that if I water them it doesn't drip on the floor, so I got this. I went ahead and used it, and it's cheap. That was a dollar store then. I don't know what it is now. I think it's $1.25, but anyway, it's got this beautiful bloom right here. Look at that, it's beautiful. A big white bloom, gorgeous right here, so pretty. And this one right here is almost done. See, it's almost done, so that one is gonna fall off. And so pretty, look at that. But anyway, I just want to show it to you. I only have, oh by the way, I only have 3 flowers on this one. The other one already dropped out, and this one is ready to drop out as well. So anyway, here it is right here. Beautiful plants, really healthy looking plants, and I water once a week, fertilize once a month, just using the regular Miracle Grow fertilizer from Lowe's or Home Depot that I get, and I mix them up with water, and that's all I do. Is just after I water them, then I soak them in the water that's got fertilizer in there, and then drain it, and then ready to go again. All right. Oh, by the way, shout out to all members for Pia Orchids Garden USA. Thank you all so much for your loyalty and for your support to this channel. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. And thank you, Amazing Pia Melody again. All right, so thank you so much, and I hope you liked the video. Have a wonderful new year. Be safe out there. Bye bye now.